What's up, YouTube? It's David back with 479 Muscle. It's been a little while since I've done a video. This is not really what I've been used to doing with the cars and stuff, but I just got a new GoPro today and thought I would try this out. My Ariens Ikon X52 lawnmower, as you can tell, if you can tell there or not, that's not supposed to be like that. Those blades, it's like I hit something and they were leaving quite a little trail through my yard. So I got some replacement blades and I thought I would just show you guys real quick how to replace the blades on these things. So right off the bat, I've got a 24 millimeter socket. I'm gonna put you guys down right over here. And we're just going to take this cat right here. That's how we do it. We've got a washer and a nut, and that blade goes down here. Okay, let's go with this guy here. Same thing. Okay, let's show you what we're doing here. Okay, here we go. So that's a pretty good used lawnmower blade next to a very good used lawnmower blade. Ugh, terrible. And then here is a brand new lawnmower blade. So now all we got to do is just reverse the order that we did that. There's one. And there's the other. And that's how you do it. I've got to do that one right over there, and I will be finished.